welcome to the world premiere of the new Golf R. And at the same time, a big welcome to the launch of the brand Volkswagen R, the premium performance brand of Volkswagen. Positioned as the sportiest car and the heart of our product family, the Golf R now completes the lineup of range-topping Volkswagen R models. The exterior design strikes a great balance between sportiness and sophistication. The front bumper with its large air intakes is typical for the Golf R. In the optional R Performance package, the new 19-inch wheels are fitted with 18-inch brake discs. The calipers finished our trademark lapis blue. The chassis sits 2 centimeters lower to the ground than a regular Golf, which is highlighted by side skirt extensions and the rear diffuser. The rear end of the car is finished off by the optional Akrapovic titanium exhaust system with its 4 pipes. Visually impressive, with a sound to match. The large rear spoiler with its open airflow is part of the optional R Performance package. It optimizes stability at high speeds, which is clearly beneficial for a car with 320 horsepower. The chassis is fitted with our intelligent torque vectoring system, which can also be found in the Arteon R and the Tiguan R. Torque vectoring adapts to the driving style, whether it's a drive through the city, up a twisty mountain road, or chasing records on the racetrack. The system always adjusts perfectly. How does it work? During cornering, more torque is directed to the outer rear wheel. This pushes the car into the corner and offers a completely new experience in driving dynamics. Inside, the Golf R presents an exceptional blend of design and materials. With the highest attention to detail, the interior design perfectly complements the exterior. The black roof lining and the R-specific cockpit and door trim inserts give the cabin a powerful look. The seats with their integrated headrests are sporty yet comfortable and showcase the new R logo. Another highlight is the new steering wheel, which ensures the perfect grip. It features a powerful detail, a button that offers direct access to the different drive modes, including a shortcut to the race mode, the R button. But see for yourself. On the open road, the chassis fully reveals its talent, and the added power can truly be experienced. The progressive steering is very direct. The new engine feels even more responsive. And for non-public roads, the optional R Performance package offers an added bonus, the drift mode. The drift mode provides a lot of fun and allows the car to drift through torque vectoring. In addition, this package includes a special mode optimized for the green hell, the Nürburgring. Hello, Golf R. Welcome to our family.